Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on ringer on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. First of all, you can press and hold the action button to enable the ringer mode. But if the action button on your iPhone is mapped to another action, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find this bell icon. Now just make sure you disable silent mode and you will enable the ringer mode. Now for the third option, just open settings, then tap on sounds and haptics. And from here, just make sure you disable silent mode. And by disabling silent mode, you will enable the ringer mode. And also on the screen, just make sure you increase the ringtone and alert slider. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can turn on ringer on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.